Getting around Basecamp is faster than ever, and you can now use your keyboard to do it. We've added a bunch of keyboard shortcuts. Let's jump in. I'll show you how it works. So with any page open in Basecamp, if you hold down the Shift key, you'll see these little icons popping up to let you know about those shortcuts. Release the Shift, they'll go away. Hold Shift down, and they will pop back up. So with that Shift key down, I can type any of those letters. Let's do T for my tasks, and my tasks will pop right up. Shift T again to close them. Same thing with events, Shift E, those will pop open, and Shift E again, and they will disappear. These shortcuts are throughout Basecamp, so just hold that Shift key and you will see where they are. Some of the ones I use most frequently are Shift S, which pops open the sidebar. And from here, I can use my arrows to navigate to the notification I want to look at, hit return, and I'll go right to it. Shift S will close that sidebar back. Another one you might want is Shift P to send a quick ping. That ping bar will open. It's ready for me to type someone's name in, and then I can easily ping them all without touching my mouse. And last one that's going to be important is Shift J. That gets you to that main jump menu. That's where your search bar is. You have a couple buttons at the top, but you can easily jump between projects with that jump menu. That one's going to be your best friend. All of our Basecamp shortcuts are on basecamp.com/keyboard. So check those out. You'll be a pro in no time. Oh, one more. If you ever get stuck on anything in Basecamp, hit Shift ? And our help guides will pop up.